Chapter 23. Pochampalli. Vani and Prasad live in a village called Muktapur. Their home is always filled with bundles of bright colored threads. Their mother and father and everyone else in the family are weavers. The weaving that they do is very beautiful and special. Muktapur village is in the Puchampoli town mandal of Telangana. Most of the families in these towns are weavers. That is why the special cloth that they weave in called Puchampalli. The villagers have been doing this work for a long time. Bunny and Prasad's parents learned weaving from their elders. For the teacher, make the children aware that most traditional arts are learned at home. There are many different handicrafts to be learned. Like Puchampoli, you could discuss other traditional occupations like carpet weaving, toy making, itar production, etc. Process of making Puchampoli saris. Now Bunny and Prasad also help their parents after coming back from school. This weaving requires hard work and many different things have to be done before actually weaving. From thread to cloth. Father brings bundle of thread from Pachampoli town. Mother then puts this thread in boiling water to wash away the dirt and stains. Then everybody works to dye the thread with bright colors. These threads are then dried and rolled into bundles. These bundles are put onto looms and the cloth is woven. Silk cloth and the silk sarees are woven from the silk threads. Cotton thread is used to weave cotton sarees, clothes, sets, etc. The loom has many needles. The size and number of the needles changes according to the design. The weavers weave the beautiful Puchampoli sarees in bright colors. Through their traditional craft, they have made their regions world famous. A craft in danger. Great skill is needed to weave such special sarees. It also takes many days of hard labor. After all this, it is difficult to get a good price for these sarees. Silk is becoming expensive day by day. Big shopkeepers give very little money for the sarees, though they themselves sell them at very high price. That is why many weavers are giving up their family craft. Many are leaving their villages to work as laborers in big cities. We need to solve this problem by helping them get a better price. Otherwise, this precious craft will be lost forever. For the teacher, in many traditional occupations, different kinds of tools and skills are used. Emphasize that the entire family participates in making one thing and that everybody has different responsibilities and duties. Discuss. Vani and Prasad learned this beautiful craft from their family members when they grow up. Do you think they will be able to teach their children the skill of this craft? Comment this. Write in your notebook. Have you ever seen anybody weave something on a loom? What were they weaving and where? The thread of a sari are dyed. Do you know of any other thing that is dyed? If you visit Bunny's village, it seems as if the entire village is weaving saris. Do you know of any other work which many people living in one place do? Do they make some article? Find out the process of making the article. What are the different steps? Do men and women do different kinds of work to make this article? Do children also contribute in making this article? Comment this. Find out and write. Talk to an ironsmith, a carpenter, and a potter about the nature of their work. Where did they learn to do their work? Comment this. What else did they need to learn to able to do this work? Have they taught this work to anybody in their family or to anyone else? The table below has a list of different kinds of work that people do. Do you know people who do such work? Write their names in the first column. In the next column, write from whom have they learned their work. Comment this. Kind of work, name of people you know who do this work. Where did they learn this work from? Cloth weaving, Prasad and Vani's parents from their elders. Cooking, cycle repair, flying aeroplanes, sewing and embroidery, singing, making shoes, flying kites, farming, cutting hair. Comment this. For the teacher. There are many places like Pochampalli in India that are famous for making special things. These things have become famous by the name of the place where they are made, like Kullu shawls, Madhubani paintings, Assam silk, Kashmiri embroidery, etc. Do you know any more examples? Discuss this in the class.